boat's full of water, I've got to get that water out. But what I'm going to do is chuck the bow of the boat over my shoulder, so it's nice and a good purchase, holding the deck lines, then kick my feet to lift, as I lift, push to straighten my arms to get the water out of the boat and flick it at the same time. So kick it right into the boat. Most of the water out of that. And then this way I'm going to come along the back deck, spray deck in my mouth so I don't get caught on anything. Get myself fairly stable as I get up there. Just get my backside in as soon as possible while it's still reasonably stable. In the boat, spray deck on, and paddle in hand. Some boats, they've got a narrow cockpit, you tend to do your shins in as you get in. Slightly wider keyhole cockpit, it's easy to flick those legs over and get into the boat and out. Spray deck on and paddle away.